In the midst of the tumultuous Crusades, one man emerged as a beacon of unity and resilience, reclaiming Jerusalem and changing the course of history. Meet Saladin ibn Ayyub, the Lion of Islam, whose legacy of honor and strategy resonates to this day. But how did he rise from a noble background to become a legendary leader? Let's uncover his extraordinary journey. Saladin was born in 1137 in Tikrit, Iraq, to a prominent Kurdish family. His father, Ayyub, was a soldier, instilling in him the values of leadership and military strategy from a young age. Educated in both military tactics and Islamic principles, Saladin was prepared for a life of influence. In his teens, Saladin joined his uncle, Nur ad-Din, who ruled Syria. He quickly proved his prowess in military campaigns, especially during the siege of the city of Shazir, which showcased his tactical brilliance. By 1169, Saladin became the vizier of Egypt, seizing control from the weakened Fatimid Caliphate. His rule marked a new era, as he aimed to consolidate Muslim power against the Crusaders. He initiated reforms, revitalizing the economy and military, and strengthened the loyalty of his troops. His vision was clear, a united Muslim front against the invaders. As the Crusaders occupied key territories, Saladin understood that the fragmented Muslim states were vulnerable. He embarked on a campaign of unification, navigating a complex web of alliances and rivalries. In a series of decisive battles, he conquered Aleppo and Damascus, uniting much of Syria and Egypt under his leadership. His strategic genius was becoming evident. The pivotal moment came in 1187 with the Battle of Hattin. Saladin's forces faced the Crusaders led by Guy of Lusignan. Knowing the terrain well, he executed a brilliant strategy, forcing the Crusaders into a disadvantageous position. The battle ended in a decisive victory for Saladin, who captured thousands of Crusaders and the relic of the True Cross. This victory paved the way for his next objective, Jerusalem. In September 1187, Saladin besieged Jerusalem, a city of profound significance to both Muslims and Christians. After weeks of fierce fighting, the city surrendered, and like many conquerors, Saladin showed remarkable mercy. He allowed safe passage for the inhabitants, ensuring the protection of Christian holy sites. His actions earned him respect, even among his adversaries. Saladin's legacy extends far beyond military victories. He became a symbol of unity and chivalry, remembered for his noble conduct. His leadership inspired both Muslims and Christians, leaving an indelible mark on history. From history books to films, Saladin's story continues to resonate, reminding us of the power of integrity and honor in leadership. Saladin's journey parallels that of another legendary figure, Khalid ibn Walid, known as the Sword of Allah. Both men exhibited extraordinary military acumen and unwavering faith, shaping the course of Islamic history. Khalid's campaigns laid the groundwork for the Islamic Empire, while Saladin's actions in the Crusades exemplified the values of justice and mercy. Together, they embody the spirit of a time when faith and leadership intertwine. As we explore the legacy of Khalid ibn Walid next, we'll see how his military genius and strategic prowess influenced the early Islamic conquest. Khalid was a commander who never lost a battle, renowned for his rapid maneuvers and innovative tactics. His ability to adapt to different combat situations and understand the psychology of his enemies was unmatched. Khalid's most notable achievements came during the Rida Wars, where he played a crucial role in suppressing rebellions against the newly formed Islamic State. His decisive victories at battles like the Battle of Yamama solidified his reputation as a formidable leader. Both leaders prioritized the unity of their people, demonstrating that true leadership lies in the ability to inspire and motivate others. The stories of Saladin and Khalid ibn Walid remind us that greatness is not solely defined by victories in battle but also by the principles of honor, respect, and justice. As we reflect on their legacies, we gain insight into the qualities that make a leader truly remarkable. Now that you've learned the story of the great Saladin and how he conquered Jerusalem, make sure to click on the video on screen to learn about the story of Khalid ibn Walid, known as the Sword of Allah.